women hate the feeling of feeling replaceable. They hate that feeling of being replaceable. When a woman feels like she could be replaced by another woman, they will instantly become more attracted to you. You got, again, a lot of the things you gotta, to understand attraction, you gotta cross-reference different areas of life to have a better understanding of it. I like to cross-reference, let me see, Chef Ramsay, right? You watch Chef Ramsay. The reason why people respect Chef Ramsay isn't just because of his value as a chef, but because the people who work for him feel like he could instantly fire them. Or let's say you work at a job and you know you could be replaced at the drop of a hat. It causes you to work harder. It causes you to pay more attention to what you do. It's just how it is, right? So when a woman feels replaceable, she will automatically act more feminine around you. It's just how it is. And how do you reflect and how do you project that replaceability? Really feeling like you could replace her. Simple as that. Simple as that. It's understanding that there's plenty of other women and that women are attracted to value. Just trust that reality. Trust that if you raise your value, you could attract more women. If you were able to attract her once, you're able to attract a similar woman again. Simple as that. But what I want you guys to understand isn't that. I want you to understand that when a woman doesn't feel replaceable, when she feels like you can't replace her in her life, she's going to automatically start acting like a bitch. She's going to automatically start disrespecting you. You have to focus on making her feel replaceable. And you have to feel that she's replaceable. In fact, you have to feel that what she gives you isn't enough. That's the mentality you have to be in. But the problem is that a lot of you motherfuckers, man, you guys treat women like they're not replaceable. You let her know that you literally say to her that you can't replace her. You're making her feel good, but she's losing respect for you slowly but surely. You cannot make somebody feel replaceable. It's like having a friend. You know, it's like having a friend who you're their only friend as opposed to having a friend who has other friends. You sort of feel jealous when your friend has a lot of friends that he's also good friends with. You sort of feel jealous. In fact, you even raise his value. Just think about that. So it's important that you make the women feel replaceable. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But I want you guys to stop believing that you guys have to reassure these women. Stop reassuring them. Make them feel replaceable. You have to keep them there. Anytime you make a woman feel like she's your world, bro, like, it's the day is coming. The day is coming. It's coming soon, man. It's coming soon. No pun intended. Right? So, feeling of replaceability, they hate that. The next thing, see women as a whole. Right? I want you to stop seeing the girl that your ex as a unique person. Motherfucker. See her as a whole. See her as part of the whole group of women. Stop seeing each woman as an individual. See women as a whole. Understand female psychology and see them completely as a whole. For example, one of the principles about women is that women just want to sleep around with multiple men and people not find out. That's just women, right? They want to do that and they don't want to be found out. Once you understand this part about you, female nature, when you have sex with a girl and she just leaves and you never hear from her again, don't take it personal. Don't say am I doing something wrong? Go ahead, reassess, see what you're doing wrong, but stop zeroing in on that moment because then you're gonna blame yourself. Relax, expand your awareness, right? And realize that this is a microcosm of the whole spectrum. She's just part of the whole. This is every woman. Women just want to sleep around. Just see them as a whole. Just see even your ex-girlfriend who cheated on you. Just see them as a whole. Because when you see women as a whole, like everyone, you're not really that attached. Like you don't get hurt. Like you realize that women will cheat when she's losing interest in a guy, right? And they'll move on to the next dude. Right? It was in that moment was just your turn. She wasn't yours. It was just your turn. And then the next woman will be her. And then the next woman, it will be her turn with you. And then the next one will be her turn with you. Right? You got to see it as a whole. Stop seeing it as in the moment, like she was mine. No. It was her turn and it was your turn. See them as a whole completely. Because what a woman wants you to do is to separate them from the whole. She wants you to separate her. She wants you to say, "Hey, you're different. You're not part of the whole." Keep her in the whole. See her. Don't just see her individually. See her as you see the whole crowd, so that you could keep some perspective, so that you could remember that she's a fucking human. That's what I want you to remember. They're trying to make you think that they're not human. You gotta make the effort to see her, but not just see her and see all of them. That they're just attracted to value. They're like robots. They're attracted to value. They can't help it. When you start acting like a little bitch, they pull away. So don't just see that as a reflection of you. It's just your action right there. You act like a little bitch, and women by nature will just run away. Don't say, "Oh no, she dumped me." No. Female nature, see the whole. Just see the whole picture. See the whole picture. Throughout history, they'll always lose interest in a guy that shows too much interest, right? And now you see the case. Now you can see your case from the macro perspective, and now you're not that attached. You can sort of see the humor in it. See what I'm saying? It's a pattern. It's happened before, and it will continue happening. Stop blaming yourself. When you blame yourself, you turn into the victim, and then suddenly women will manipulate you even better, even harder, easier, whatever. All right? All right, guys. So I want you guys to check out my online course called Dark Game. That's right, people. Dark Game. And this course is pretty much, I review to you the secret tactics, the secret techniques to create attraction in almost any woman, right? But not just attraction to the point that makes her want to see you all the time, where she's the one initiating all the contact, right? Now just imagine to be able to keep all of the girls in your life that you lost because of your stupidity. Imagine, and I had stupidity too. Imagine being able to keep them. Imagine being able to have 5, 6 women available to you, wanting to see you. Imagine being able to create intense relationships where they're all doing all the work. People, that kind of stuff does exist, people. Now, I'm not going to promise you that you're going to bang like 40, 50 women. I'm going to promise you that you're going to be able to keep the women you have, that you get with. I can promise you that keeping them will increase with this course. But let me keep showing you something. This course is pretty huge, people. It's a huge course. This course has over 50 videos, right? And some of them you could get for free. If you just sign up, you get free videos, right? But in these videos, let me show you guys the course, right? All right, guys. That's me right there, right? In this video, I pretty much teach you guys how to find your purpose. Right? All this is how to find your purpose, discovering your purpose, right? I teach you guys then about female psychology, all of the principles about female psychology you guys need to understand. I then teach you guys the mindset, the proper mindset that you guys need to deal with women. After that, I teach you guys 21 videos on how to game. I mean, it's pretty much unbelievable, man. I gotta make this available, right? But it's unbelievable how many, I pretty much put everything: outer game, social circuit game, strategies, threesomes, foursomes, everything, right? And on top of that, I give you guys a few bonuses: how to overcome approach anxiety, why you can't take actions, a Dickens pattern to change your mentality, how to go from open to transitions, right? 81 minute long, people. This is like, I don't know how long this is, but this is hours, and I mean hours worth of content. And you get a 30-day money back guarantee. I mean, you without questions asked. All for $99, people. People, this could be around a few thousands, to be honest with you, right? But you guys get it for $99, right? All you gotta do is just go over here, purchase the course, and you'll get access to it. And if you don't like it, you could just message me and get your money back, people. Look, man, don't be hard-headed, people. Don't be hard-headed. This is the course that you guys need, right? It gives you guys everything. I cover everything. I could promise you, man, you're not gonna get a more in-depth course on how to attract women and keep them more than this. All right. Anyways, people, check it out. 30-day money back guarantee. There is no risk, and you can get the free course. You can get the free trial. The free trial are these videos that you get for free, right? You guys could just sign up. You could watch all of these videos for free, right? And you don't have to pay, all right? Anyways, I'll see you guys inside. I want to see you guys inside because, again, people, you can't lose nothing. There's a 30-day money back.